police officer from Gauteng is due to appear in her defense in court tomorrow after allegedly ordering the killing of 6 members of her family and then claiming the insurance money. Between 2012 and 2018, Constable Nomia Ndlovu allegedly ordered hits on her mother, her partner, her sister, her other sister, a niece and nephews. She allegedly received R1.5 million in insurance claims. Our reporter, Mnisi, has been looking at the story. He joins me now. Linda, good afternoon to you. This is incredible. I mean, it's what, 5, 6 members of her own family that she paid someone money to have killed.
Absolutely, Stephen. It reads like a movie, if you ask me, and this killing spree is said to have started around 2012. So what the state is alleging here is that Rosemary Ndlovu, would fraudulently set up insurance policies in her family members' names and then go on to hire hitmen who would then take them out. She would then claim and receive, of course, the payouts, listing herself, if I may add, as the beneficiary. So this went on for years until in 2018 when the hit was ordered on her sister. The hitman who was supposed to carry out that duty got, chickened out and basically went to the police and told the police what was happening. So they set up a sting operation and she was later arrested while devising a plan to have her sister and her 5 children killed.
Her sister and 5 children?
Yes, absolutely. So the plan there, Stephen, was to show the 2 men where, in fact, she knew that it was 3 men because one of them in that sting operation was an undercover police. So what would happen is that they would get to her house, set it up in fire, killing all 5 of her children, but she would then return back. She had checked herself into a hospital 2 days prior, just so she has an alibi. She even says in the recording that the husband knew that she is in hospital. So that footage, Stephen, came out today, but it was also used in court to kind of corroborate the story of the hitman who then went to the police and told them about what has happened. I want us to take a listen to what she was telling them while she was planning to execute this crime.
Masihamba manje ngiyohlangana naye ngimbize sihlangane somewhere mina mhlambe ngipake imoto laphana yabona ngimnikezele la philisi njabule yabona ngimtshele ngithi lamaphilisi lawa ngithi lamaphilisi asiza ntambama mawulala uwaphuza womkhuhlane ngithi manje kuzingena isizini yomkhuhlane ngithi niwaphuze mani lala ngoba ayalalisana then nina nizokhona ukungena ke akunamabhadla laphana.
So in that recording, what she's basically saying is that she would point the house where her sister lives with her 5 children, but she would also arrange to meet up with the sister first so that she can give her medication. This medication would cause her to sleep, and then after that, the men would be able to break into the house. She even says that there are no bucklers at the house, so you'll be able to go in freely and execute the crime. In fact, if you listen to her, the hitman asked her, so, I mean, how many people live there? She says it's the lady and her 5 children. So why do you want to have the other children killed? She says, because I will get a payout on the sister, but not the children. I just want us to eliminate the witnesses. And here she's talking about 5 children, one who's less than a year old at the time.
It's incredible, Linda. And I mean, this is a police officer.
Yes, absolutely. So she was even asked by the hitman in the recording, so where do you work? And she points out, I work at the Tembisa, police station, South Police Station. That's where I'm stationed. So these hitmen were part of, the state's case, part of the state's witnesses. The state called about 50 witnesses, 53 witnesses to the stand, and some of them include the experts who were speaking really about the insurance policies, how they work, how she, did all of this. But obviously tomorrow she's expected to take the stand. We understand so far that the state will be calling, about 2 witnesses, which is quite interesting because among those witnesses, her own mother, who she's alleged to have set up a hit on, will be testifying in her defense. Now, it's said that she does not believe that the daughter would carry out such a crime because the hitman did not go ahead with killing her.
Oh, Linda Mnisi, it's an incredible story. Thank you very much indeed. Our reporter, Linda Mnisi. Well,